The Thanksgiving holiday and weekend are some of the busiest times for emergency departments and doctors' offices.
Holland Hospital says it sees an increase in patient volume on Friday and Monday following the holiday. I spoke with one of their family physicians about ways to stay healthy and stay safe this holiday season. The Thanksgiving holiday is a great time to get together with friends and family. But Dr. Ada Pariser with Holland Hospital tells us 5 ways to stay healthy and safe this holiday. First, avoid cuts and burns, especially if you don't typically cook or are distracted by family.
If you have something hot on the stovetop, we want you to stay at the stovetop attending to that pan or that pot.
Make sure your knives are sharp and your cutting board won't slip.
And then also, if you do drop a knife, we want you to stand back and yield to that falling knife. Please do not try to reach for a knife that is falling through the air.
Next tip, just be prepared. You might get sick.
Definitely see an uptick in respiratory illnesses.
Make sure to stay home if you're feeling under the weather to prevent further spread of viruses. Third, if you have a known health condition, talk to your doctor to come up with a plan to enjoy the holidays and stay healthy.
For example, people with heart failure may be predisposed to an exacerbation of those symptoms if they're consuming a larger amount of salt than they normally would. People with diabetes who may be consuming a larger amount of carbohydrates.
Fourth tip, there is an increase in foodborne illness after the food-centered holiday. Make sure to avoid getting yourself and others sick by putting leftovers away in less than 2 hours after cooking.
And make sure you get your turkey cooked to 165 degrees. That 165 degree mark is really where we know that the turkey will be safe to consume.
Lastly, the food and drinks are flowing. Make sure not to get behind the wheel if you have been drinking alcohol. And now a bonus tip. Enjoy the day and the people around you.
I think that having an opportunity for everyone to get together and be in community with each other as we're getting into that darker season is so valuable for our emotional well-being.